Narrator-wise, meet the Lynx M20, the robot dog built to survive war. Would you destroy any ordinary machines? Designed for extreme missions, this hybrid quadruped combines intelligence, strength, and speed like never before. This is no ordinary robot dog. The Lynx M20 features a revolutionary lag wheel, designed letting it set from agile walking to high-speed rolling in seconds. It can hit speeds up to 18 km per hour on flat terrain. Built for the harsh environment, the Lynx M20 tackles rugged mountains, paths, muddy wetlands, and icy ground with ease. Obstacles, no problem. It can climb over barriers up to 80 centimeters high and navigate slopes as steep as 45 degrees. This makes it ideal for the search and rescue military patrols on industrial infections. Link M20 is equipped with a 96-line LiDAR system that offers 360 degrees awareness and high resolutions wide-angle camera of real-time visuals. It sees what you cannot. Whether bring it on, the M20 is IP66 rated, waterproof, dustproof, and able to operate from 20 degree to 55 degree. Whether it is a freezing cold or a blazing heat, this robot keeps moving. With a swappable battery system, it's run up to 3 hours per charge. Plus, it carries up to 15 kilograms of payload, making it perfect for the delivering tools of the supplies in the dangerous zones. The key to its power is smart wheel leg systems, wheels for speed, legs for the stability, all controlled by advanced AI and real-time sensors. Whether it is navigating the closer the buildings, inspecting remote pipelines, or the delivery in medical supplies, the Link M20 is a radar finding robot with the capability. This is not just a machine; it is a survivor. The Lynx M20 built for the extreme ready for the future. Would you test this robot dog on your missions? Please like and subscribe my channel for the more amazing content. See you next time.